Well, what's going on, guys? So this morning I'm trading futures. Now, you might look behind me and say, well, Patrick, you're trading normal on Dash Trader Pro. What are you doing with your futures? So a second here, I'm going to show you kind of what's going on with the futures market and how I'm trading it here behind me in a second. So let's get ready to rumble. So you can see behind me, I've got 3 contracts I ended up buying down here off of the support area that I was looking at with the SPY chart earlier. So I'm kind of using, like I said, those Dash Trader charts. And just by going back over here, you can see this trend overall there, the 276 area. And if you kind of zoom out here, you kind of see why I was looking at that overall trend. But if you go back here, what was it, on the 5-minute? Yeah, it was on the 5-minute. So you can see on the 5-minute, that 276.60 area had a bounce the other day. Had support there at that 276 area there, and that's what I was looking for this morning, pushing up here, looking for this to push, and it looks like we're going to get it. I'm going to take $300 of profit, take some contracts off here in a second. I'm going to put an order out there, see if I can't sell a contract here at the 27.69.75 area. So I got my one order out there to see if I get filled here at the 270.69.75 area. See if this will pop up there. I've also got my stop open there. You can see my stop. I don't know, can you see it? My head might be in the way. All right, so we just got filled for one contract there at the 270, at the 27.69 area. Let's see if this can push a little bit higher. I was basically risking $200 this morning for the possible $400, $500 move, and that's what we're kind of playing into right now, taking a little bit off the table. And I'm going to kind of move my stop up. And I'm going to move my stop basically now. So looking here at the 5-minute chart on the SPY, looks like this might pull back down here to the 276.70 area. Kind of looking, see if that support area is going to hold there. 276.74 area on the SPY. So this morning I'm trading with 3 contracts here on the E-minis. I made a video yesterday talking about kind of the terminologies. So I've got 3 contracts. I already sold one contract for $100 in profit on that contract, and I'm looking for another move higher here to take some more profit as this pushes up. If it can push up, we're looking to see if it can hold that 270, if it can hold that 27.69 area there. I like to see kind of this area right here hold 27.69 right there. I think we can get this push up there above the 27.70 area there. So give it a little bit of time here, see if we can push through that 27.70 area here and push up there. I'm actually going to do, I'm going to put my stop right there at the 27.68.75. So I've got 2 contracts left. If that can't hold, I'm going to end up getting out, but still lock down some profit this morning. So I'm looking like at 27.69 area, getting tested. See what's going to hold here. I'm going to put an order out there, 27.750. Let's see if this will push all the way up there to 770.71. 27.71. One thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my stop down there at the 27.68.75 and see if this trend can't keep up until the market opens, and just kind of let this one ride a little bit. I actually got my phone set up now, so it's really easy to trade on my phone if I need to. So I'm going to keep that one contract open this morning. I'll just keep that stop there at the 27.60.75, and so far this morning up $212 up $212 realized. If I lock down this, if I get stopped out, I'll probably walk away with around $270 after commissions and fees. So I'm going to let that last contract ride and see if it can't push back up there to the 277.40 area. 277.40 be, where would it be? Up in here. So basically, that last contract that I have right there, if it pushes all the way up there, it'd be worth $500, make another $500 in profit. And that 277.40 area would be the SPY getting back on the green on the day. So that's kind of what I'm thinking if this will push up there. So not a bad risk reward there. I'm already in the green, already kind of locking down the profit this morning. This order thing, I got to figure out a better way to show with my head there. But you can see basically right now, if I stop out there at the 27.60.75 area, I'll stop out with $75 in profit. If it pushes up here to my target area, then that could be $500 in profit at that point. So you can see the opportunities here. You can see the opportunities really for me this morning, buying down here at the 27.67 area. If this thing pushes up 10 points, I'll end up walking away with $500 in profit. Not a bad risk reward overall, and you can see the opportunity. You can see how you can leverage this with just one contract. One contract costs $1,600 in margin, so you can see the opportunities. Just trading with one contract. Let's say if I was buying here at the 2767, say if I was buying there at the 2767 area and I was risking $100 looking for a $500 profit. That's not bad at all. Not bad at all. You do that every single day. Maybe you get stopped out a couple times a week. If you're able to get in there with a good entry, you're able to capitalize on the momentum. You can see how prosperous this can be. Obviously, there's risk as well, but it's much easier to kind of figure out your risk reward, and you got a cleaner instrument, something that's a lot easier to trade than the low float stocks in terms of volatility and stuff like that. The S&P, sure, there's volatility, there's stuff that can happen, but overall, we're just not going to get the same exact moves that you would with the penny stock, low float stock kind of world. So that's what we're looking to see if this can push. One of the reasons, if you look here at the date at the SPY, other day we were up here at the 278 area on Friday. That was the close there on Friday. I think the close was a little bit earlier, but it rallied after hours up there to the 278 area and then kind of gapped down this morning. And I'm looking to see if we can hold that support there from Friday. If you see on the chart there, that support was there on Friday and then rallied into close. So that's basically what I'm looking for this to push up there and show me some money, baby. Get back to the green. Right now the SPY is red, but if we can get a nice little green market day, it'll be a nice little profit. And there it is, kind of locking it down this morning, showing you guys kind of what I'm doing here, trading futures and how that all works and all that fun stuff. So there it is. I'm going to lock it down. You can see my position still open right now. See if this will push up there. I'll give it a little bit of time, kind of ride the trend here. Ride the trend, baby. I'm going to ride the trend today. So there it is. If you guys haven't already, do me one big favor, hit that subscribe button. I will talk to you guys later on.